This video I will tell you that how to delete all Gmail emails at once. So first of all you need to open up your Gmail account. So you will open up the Gmail app here, and if you open up the Gmail app on your Android phone, you will not see any kind of option to delete all Gmail emails at once. So in order to do this, you have to open up your Google Chrome browser on your phone, or if you are on PC, and then first we have to convert this to our desktop website. Okay, so you will tap on three dots at the top right, tap on the desktop site here, and after doing this you will open up the gmail.com on your Android phone. So this is also applicable if you are opening up the gmail.com on your PC, because we are now using the desktop version. So you will click on this more option here, and then you will click on this all mail option here. Okay, and once it's loaded, you need to click on this little box here, and this will select all mails in your Gmail, and then you just need to tap on this delete option, and all Gmail emails will be deleted from your Gmail account. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.